Let's get you some stocks and news which will be in focus in today's trading session. Let's go across to Pranay Jain.
Well, it's the GVK group that's in focus this morning, and Economic Times has reported that the group is looking to sell about 30 to 35% stake in its airports business, that is GVK Airport Holdings, that operates two airports, one each at Mumbai and Bangalore. So by selling about 30 to 35% stake in this GVK Airport Holdings, it is looking to garner a sum of about 2,500 crores, which will largely go in cutting the debt that stands at about 3,000 crores for GVK Power Infra. Aside of this, also GVK, the same company, is negotiating with British Gas as well as British Petroleum to sell shares in its oil and gas unit as well. The next stock to keep on your tab will be Tata Motors, as JLR has recalled about 11,800 vehicles in China, and it is important to note because this market contributes nearly 20% of JLR's revenues, and this has been due to an alleged oil leak as well as an engine problem. But also after the market hours, we had the JLR with the sales numbers for the month of July coming out, which have come in along expected lines to touch the mark of about 31,611 vehicles, out of which Jaguar contributes nearly 6,100 vehicles and Land Rover about 25,000 vehicles. So we have two opposite pieces of news coming in for JLR. Looking at some of the earnings that came after market hours, United Bank of India disappointed the street with the very weak operating performance. The PAT is down 74%, the NII is down 14%, and we've seen significant deterioration in asset quality as well. If you look at HPCL, we've seen the losses narrowing for that to come in at about 1,460 crores versus 9,200 crores, as the sales have jumped up 15% to touch 50,990 crores, and also the GRMs have now come in at $2.58 per barrel versus $2 year on year.